Okay, now that I have all of my buttons and things made, the easiest thing to do is to go to your um, files section, and you're going to upload files. So I'm going to go to my desktop where my buttons are, and I want to upload all of these buttons. So I clicked my mouse and drug it over and got all of those, and I'm going to hit open, and it's going to dump all those in there. Now, if you want to be super organized, you can make folders also. So I might call this one headers. And then you can go into the headers folder and upload more content. Again, you can just drag those things that you want in there, or you can select multiple things. So if I wanted to put all of that in there, hit open, replace. It's going to put all of those in my folders. Now, if you do this, you can do this with PDFs. You can dump all your PDFs at one time. You can dump all your buttons at one time. It just makes it easier because then you don't have to upload every time in there where you need to be. So after you've uploaded that, you are going to go to Pages, and I'm going to make a new home page to be my first page that I'm going to make. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to go to plus page, and I'm going to call this home page. And these are your buttons up here. It's just basically like a Word document. It has your font, your sizes, all of that kind of stuff. This is the link button. This is where you get your pictures from. So that's where we're going to start right now. Is I'm going to put in my first image. So I'm going to go to course images because I'm inside this course, and that is where I uploaded them to. And I want my creating with Canvas header. And that's not the right one. I want the big one, not the square. I think it's this one. Okay, I want that in there. So I got that image in there. You can go to image options and you can change the size over here if you want to. Also, this alternate text, if you have people with disabilities or your kids can't read, if you put this in there, it will read what it is. There. I'm going to keep those numbers at like that for now. And I always like to center my header. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a table. And I want mine table to be 3 by 3 because I made almost 9 buttons. I think I made 8. So I'm going to hit my table. And inside my table, I'm going to insert my buttons. So the first one I want is my welcome one, which is right here. And then the next one I want is module 1. And the next one I want is module 2. And then I want module 3. See how it's so nice when they're all right here ready to go? Then you don't have to go back and forth and upload every single time. Module 5. Okay, and then I'm going to put my contact button and my syllabus button. Now, notice just because of how I'm doing things, I don't have that, so I have anything in there. So I'm just going to put a blank Canvas logo in there. And then I don't like the size of that one, so I'm going to go to image and put it back in there. Image options. My custom, I'm going to put it 175 by 175. Well, it's not going to let me do that because it's not a square, but as close as I can. Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to select all of this, and I like to center them.